Hello everyone, this is Aida Golami from Actimates Research Company, and today I'm going to teach you how to insert drop-down list in Excel. So first of all, you will use this function to allow people to pick an item from the data that you will specify. Okay, so you want to limit them um, in some degree. And what you will do, you can see I have a column of data here. I have some climatic zones and climatic variations, and here in my sheet number 2 I have some cities. So I want to limit the user to select the city from this column that I have written. So how will I do that? I will first select my cells in front of this data. I click on data validation. Here I will allow list, and here for source I will select my list from here. I click enter and click OK. So now you will see that the user is able to um, select data from this list, and she or he cannot um, enter any other data. The value doesn't match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you all learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.